Oh yeah, it's another nice windy day and hot. You know, it was raining, now it's windy and hot. But either way, I can't complain too much. So, Beaver, they sent me more items. So I'm gonna try it out here. It's a welder, stick welder, and it welds plastic too. I gotta find something I can try the plastic welding thing deal out with, because I've never done that before. So alright, I'll unbox this here and then I'll get it set up and try the stick welder over there once, and then find some plastic to weld together. Alright, let's see here. Should be able to see just fine. Hopefully it ain't too windy where you can't hear me. But alright, this is the lead. Man, I'll bring it back here in a sec. Yeah, so it's pretty windy, and it's you know, I don't want to have the garage door closed, because then I'm going to be sweating. But anyways, so here's the lead for these. Let's see if I can show you here. Hold on a sec. I'll put you back here for a second. So these are these welding. They're 8mm wave staples, 100 of them. So they gave 100 of these, and then there's only, I already opened it. I kind of checked it out. I didn't try it. I didn't plug it in or nothing. I just tried it, so I ain't gonna lie about that. So here's that lead for the plastic welder. Apparently, just go like this. Never had one of these. Never even. I've seen them on TV, but that's about it. So you put it in there like that, and then apparently stitch plastic back together. And there's the button for that. Alright, so yeah, 100 of these with it. And here's the 110 220. So that's, you know, either or, that's pretty good. We'll see if it does any welding. I haven't done any stick welding in a while. So here's the lead for that. It's not too bad. The plastic, but oh yeah, it's got pretty tough. Alright. Pretty good cable for a small. Wait till you see the welder, it's pretty small. Well, here's the ground. Yeah, one welding rod, and it's got my glasses on. What is it? I'll have to get my glasses. I can't read that. Oh yeah, that's 50 times. I don't know what it's supposed to be rated for, how much it's supposed to be able to weld, but I can't imagine it would. Out of here. Right here. So there's the ground. Seen that. So it's the Beaver MMA 200, and I have to go get my glasses. I can't read that stuff. I'll be right back. All right, I just came in here because I'm not gonna be re-editing and all that because of wind. So here's what it's got. It's got the it says current hot start arc force YRD on. I know this is a min max. It just keeps on spinning. Okay, and then this is a button there. That is, let's see here. OC, MMA, lift, TIG, and hot stapler. So this here's your settings for the TIG, MIG, or TIG. What the hell does it say? Lift, TIG, OC, MMA, and hot stapler. So I gotta find some plastic, but I don't know. This thing is pretty tiny. Never had a welder that tiny. I got a Lincoln stick welder, and it must, I don't know, it's from the 60s, or maybe even older than that, and it weighs a couple 100 pounds. I couldn't barely lug it around when I was a kid. So okay, so this is the ground stick. Yeah, hold on, I'll be right back. So we've got the ground lead, stick welder lead, the plastic welder lead, and that, and then the 110 to 220. So I ain't got no I don't think, yeah, I do got 220 out here. I just ain't got the, I got it wired out here, but I ain't got the plug. I just put that in. But alright, I'll get it set up out there, and I'll try some stick welding. I got some, where is that? I got some tiny, oh, here it is. I put it out here already. I don't even know where, like, what is this stuff? E6011? That should be good enough. Yeah, that should be. What language is that? Can anything be in English here? Alright. Anyways, I'll just try to lay a bead or two on there, and then find something. Maybe if I can't find any plastic to stitch together, I got a chainsaw that's shot in the case, so I'll zip the case and see if I can stitch it back together. So yeah, the lead's just, you know, plus minus, put in, twist, done. And then this one here screws into there, so that's fine. I ain't putting that in right now. The ground in, easy. Okay. See with this thing here, if I can do anything with it here. Maybe I can't weld anymore, I don't know. It's been a while. On, plug in. Ain't no lights. What's the dealio? Oh, there's a switch back here. Yeah. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright. So these are 6011s. I think I'll burn one of these. I don't care. They were free. I had them. I don't remember where I got them from. I'm turning her all the way up. See if we can blow the breakers out. I didn't really scuff this here up, but I don't feel like it anyway. See if it works. Oh yeah, there we go. Grounding. Ooh, that's some boogering. I gotta try it a few more times. Maybe I can, you know, stack dimes. Fuck, I ain't never been able to stack dimes. I gotta turn that down maybe. Bad. My welding's bad, but this ain't bad. Well, it'd take one stick to stack a half a dime. I'll try their stick. If I was to stack dimes. Go on here, let's see. Rolling. It's holding up. I mean, you know, it's on 110. I figured I got all these lights on. I turned on all kinds of power out here to see if it'd knock out a breaker, but no, it seems to be pretty decent. I want to try a few more. Let's see here. See if I get any better. Yeah. Grounding. Grounding. Get out of there. I can't. Those rods are shit. I don't even know. I never used them before. But they were free, so I figured I'd give them a run. I didn't even know if they're supposed to be welding. I didn't even read it. Really, I just know it's a 6011. Oh, I did killed all the power in here. I was laying her on, she got hot. Yep. So, you know, it lasted a while on 110, but I did pop the breaker. I'll be back. Alright, lights are back on. Okay, so it does weld. I mean, I'm not the best welder. Never said I was, never claimed it. My welds will hold, I'll tell you that. But, alright, well, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do here with the plastic thing. I'm going to try that out. And then I'll bring it back here. I'll get it all ready and see how that works. So I showed this here little, you know, welder to the guy that owns the gas station down the street here, and he was kind of interested in to see how that works, because I might be going over there and letting him use it to in this video of him trying to repair you know, bumper, plastic bumper. It might work. I don't know. We'll see. So let me see. I'll just do it this way. I ain't trying to just squeeze it together and none of that business. Just go across, give her the old ooh, it's getting hot. It's sinking into the old plastic. And then you pull it off and oh yeah, that will work. And then you just clip those off. I'm not gonna waste a whole bunch on that. Well, that's pretty neat there. You get a snips. So yeah, I would imagine that would work on a plastic bumper. Huh. But you know, like I said, you'd want to do it on the inside, so you take the bumper off. Like I said, I was just trying it out because I don't care about that. So I'll leave the link in the description. I wouldn't imagine that these cost too much. It says Tough Tools half price, and I mean it did weld. Like I said, it did weld and didn't pop the breaker until I kept getting rod stuck on on there because I didn't you know, make it a good ground. I didn't clean it up enough. That was on me. But I mean, I turned everything on in this garage too. I've link in the description, and if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure they're pretty cheap. So thanks for watching as always. Subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one.